Hello everybody, this is Louisa, and today I have another Stamp Doctor project. For today I am going to be making a Christmas card. This Christmas card is not your standard A2 size card. It's a 3.5 by 8.5 inches. So basically you take an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and you cut it at 7 inches. And with the 8.5 going this way, so you would cut it at 7, and then you score it 3.5. This card size will fit a normal envelope, kind of the envelopes that you would mail regular letters in, which is actually perfect for the holidays because typically those envelopes, you can find them a little bit less expensive than your standard A2 size cards envelopes. So for today's card, I've already done a lot of the work ahead of time to save some time on the video. And like I said, I scored it 3.5. This piece of paper, this layer here, is 3.25 by 8.25. So I just took it in a quarter both ways, and it will sit here. And then from this amazing paper stack, and I do say amazing because I've used it for so many different projects, including fall themed projects, just because it's a little bit more versatile than your typical Christmas, just regular Christmas paper pads, but it still keeps that gorgeous Christmas look. This paper pad is from Glitz and it's called the Hello December paper pad. It's a 6 by 6 paper pad. And you can get it as usual at thestampdoctor.com. I'm using all papers from that stack. I have this layer here, and all papers are double-sided. This layer here is 3 inches by roughly 6 inches, and it's going to sit up here. Then this paper, also from the same paper pad, it's 3 inches also by 2.5, and it's going to sit down here. I am using this ribbon. This ribbon is actually from my stash. I can't even remember where I got it, but you can use any type of green or ivory type of ribbon. The paper pad has a lot of ivories, and the background on both of these papers are ivory, so anything ivory or green or a combination thereof. So this is going to sit here, and then from the Stamp Doctor, I stamped the sentiment. It's from the Santa Claus Circles Stamp Doctor collection, and I used the smaller circle that says Santa Claus is coming to town, and I stamped it using some white embossing powder in this really beautiful deep red. And with the same paper from the same darker hunter green, if you will, I cut a scallop using Spellbinder standard small circles and standard scallop circles. And then I also cut a little window peak here just to give it a little bit more interest. And this is going to sit here. And from the Stamp Doctor's dies, I use a reindeer and sleigh die. I love this set because you can cut your reindeer sleigh and then you can cut a deer for it, and you can create a cute little scenery with it. I only cut the reindeer sleigh though for this card, and this one's going to sit right here. And I have these pieces of paper from another project I made using the same paper pad, and I'm going to use these pieces to create a little banner here to give a little bit more interest to the top of the card. And lastly, I have this little button that's going to sit in the middle of this of the sentiment, and I'm just going to probably put some thread through, run some thread through it again to give it a little bit more interest. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in assembling the card. Okay, so here you have it. This is the finished card. It turned out really cute, really simple. If you want, you can put a sentiment on the inside of the card a lot. Most of the times I actually don't do anything to the inside of my cards. But as far as the outside, I did end up doing a little bow for the button. I thought I'd give it a little bit more detail, and I'm probably going to trim these. Just so they don't come in the way of the sentiment. And as you can see, putting the clothesline actually took a little bit more effort, but if you want to mass produce this for your Christmas cards, my last year's Christmas card, one of the ones that I mass produced had the same concept of banners going across, and after about the third or fourth it becomes really easy and really fast to do. I've just apparently been out of shape. The Santa also, after I put the card together, I started thinking if you wanted to make it even more cute, you could do the Santa and a reindeer and put the Santa here, maybe trim a part of the Santa so you could see a little bit of the Santa sleigh and then a reindeer, kind of Santa going through town with the banners hanging from a clothespin or something like that. So just a few other ideas if you want to edit the card and, you know, making it a little bit different. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, you can get all of these products at stampdoctor.com, and also don't forget to visit their blog at thestampdoctor.blogspot.com, and their Facebook group where they post a lot of their discounts. If they're having any specials, or if they're going to a town near you, you can find out via their Facebook group, and that's also the Stamp Doctor. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.